Ladies and gentlemen, the magazine name is Abkari. The editor-in-chief al-Wazaif Dr. Muhammad Tariq Mahmood Maghzoubi Chotai Dawat Barkatum Alia. The topic is, if you love your pet, never forget to read this. Try this if your animal is affected by the evil eye. Tip for sick chickens. My father kept chickens for many years, and my entire childhood and teenage years were spent among them. My father's first solution for my ailment in the chickens, whether it was a cough or some other illness, was to give them a syrup made from jaggery drinking. This syrup would usually cure them regardless of the season, whether it was winter or summer. Whenever they faced an issue like a runny nose, digestive problems, or diarrhea, he would give them jaggery syrup. Within 2 or 3 days, they would recover completely. How to calm an animal. Some animals tend to attack people. Whenever they approach, to prevent this, recite Bismillah 7 times and feed them something edible like a piece of bread or anything else. Inshallah, they will stop attacking you. Instead, whenever you go near them, they will bow before you and show affection. Spiritual tips for sick pets. When an animal is sick, follow this spiritual practice. When the world is asleep, walk up and recite Durood Sharif 11 times at the beginning and the end. Then recite 21 times Abramu Amra fa inna mubrimun. Abramu Amra fa inna mubrimun. Visualize the sick animal, focusing on this feature and condition. Imagine the affected areas, especially if it has been infested with parasites. Finally, look toward the pole star and say their times. Qatl, 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 qatl. Kill the diseases. This practice is believed to help in healing the animal. For easily extracting milk. My father often used to say that when our servant went to milk the buffaloes, they would sometimes come back and report that a certain buffalo hadn't give any milk that day. My father would respond, all right, I will go and take care of it. He wouldn't then go to the buffalo, stand by its ear and recite something softly. When we asked him what he was saying, he explained, I simply asked the buffalo, are you disrespectful towards the Prophet, peace be upon him? After that, the buffalo start giving milk. To stimulate appetite. If any animal or bird stop eating and drinking, giving it yogurt water helps restore its digestion and it will start eating and drinking again. Ladies and gentlemen, the topic is finished. The word is Abramu Amran fa inna mubrimun. Please channel like, share, subscribe. Thank you watching. See you in the next video.